Here's how to add text effects in Canva. First, let's add some text to our design. We can do that by simply pressing T on our keyboard. Now let me just resize this a little bit. And let's name this my text effect. Now with the text box still selected, to add a text effect in Canva, in the top toolbar click on Effects. And you can then choose from the text effects here on the left side. So you can add a drop shadow, you can lift your text, you can outline your text if you want, or even add a glitch effect to your text. To use one of these, all you need to do is to click on it, and it will then automatically be added to your text. For most of these text effects, you will then also get more options here below that you can use to adjust the effect. For example, I could increase the offset right here, so that my text effect becomes more prominent. If you would like to remove a text effect in Canva, here's how you do it. First of all, left click on your text, then in the top toolbar go to Effects, and then here on the left side under Style, make sure to click on None. And this will remove any text effect from your text. And that's it guys, this is how you add text effects in Canva. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe to my channel for more Canva tutorials.